Sanibonani and welcome to Wisdom X Magaziwe. Imina ke ingane yamakhehla madala, amakhehla makhulu, amakhehla amahle. If you're watching for the first time, siyawamukela. We are all about sharing wisdom, healing, and sharing light for the world to become better. On this video, ngifuna bonke abathandazi. Come here. Let's literally gather here. And I also want to answer or respond to this question where someone had asked me to at least teach about if umthandazi owembethe umoya wenkanyamba. I just want us together here as abantu abaphiwe umthandazo esiphilisa ngawo umthandazo. Let's gather here. Uma uhamba nomoya wenkanyamba okanye uhamba nomoya wenkosazana or kuthiwa uhamba nomoya wenzuza, sihlukile masingabathandazi. Angifuni ukuqambela amanga ngoba sihluke kanje, into zethu ziyimfihlo. Why ngithi ziyimfihlo? uNkulunkulu usuke akukhethile, uNkulunkulu usuke akubumbe ngendlela yakhe, ngoba the more you pray, the more uboniswa, ukuthi ingilosi ziphi ohamba nazo, kanti lo moya okuwembethe uzoyiveza kuwena isikhathi masilokolo sihamba. That is why there is no more teachings about le mimoya esimbathayo singabathandazi. And let me just put it this way. Nami angikwazi ukukhuluma ngeimfihlo zabanye abantu. Angikwazi on a public platform. I can't speak about imfihlo zabanye abantu because of every time I'm trying to record a video speaking about le mimoya, there is just this energy that is just saying, stop right there. But what I want to give you is you need to pray. You need to pray and open your heart. Khuleka uvule inhliziyo yakho, khuleka and just uyinikezele whenever you are praying. Uzowabona lamandla owambethiswe wona. Uzowabona lamandla onikezwe wona. Uzozibona uqobo lwakho ukuthi ubani wena emkhathini. Imfihlo yakhe umvela inqangele and uyafuna ukuthi lento ihlale iyimfihlo. Uyafuna ukuthi lento ihlale iyimfihlo because of indlela asidale ngayo. It's just so beautiful because of immediately when you pray, you just instantly connect. And uthi mawukhuleka nawe uvula inhliziyo yakho ujula, uzubona usezindaweni uwenza izinto. So you just need to continue to pray, and whatever God shows you, that is for you. Makakubonisa ukuthi ubani uhamba nani kwenzakalani empilweni yakho, that is for you. You keep it to yourself. You look at people who have so much money, like people who are billionaires, they don't come here and share what exactly is happening. So nathi kumele ukuthi sibe nazo imfihlo zethu singabathandazi. Kumele ube neimfihlo zakho. Hayi yonke into ke manje kumele ukuthi ibekwele ngaphandle ngoba uyena umveli inqangi. Akafuni ukuthi yonke into ibibekwe kanje. Because of people out here, they are all about giving everything. Mele sivumelane ukuthi kunezinye izinto esiyishare in consultations. Kunezinye izinto ezambulwa in your consultations. Mhlawumbe ufuna ukuconsulta and know more about yourself and know more about your gift. But just here on a public platform where everyone is watching, where everyone is listening, already khuluma ngeimfihlo zabantu unikeza kunezinye izinto uNkulunkulu ayigcine imfihlo, ake ihlale ziyimfihlo. Wena mthandazi obone inkanyamba, obone ukuthi umbethiswe ngenkanyamba, khuleka. Inkosi ibonise wena. Inkosi ifuna ukuthi wena uqonde. Akusi information ya wonke umuntu. It's only for the chosen ones. Uthi maso ubonisiwe, you understand yourself. Because of, trust you me, people who attack us, they attack us with the information that we give them. They attack us with the information that we give them. So if you sit here and you want to explain everything, trust you me, they will attack you with the information. They will try and find ways to try and attack you. So ngiyacela la ukhona, ngiyakunxusa la umi khona, khuleka uvule inhliziyo yakho. uNkulunkulu usebenza ngemfihlakalo, and our journeys as abathandazi very much subjective. Yebo uhamba nawo amakhosi, kodwa khona amakhosi on land, akhona amakhosi asemanzini, akhona amakhosi aseyintabeni on the caves, khona amakhosi wezulu. So it would depend ukuthi ngesikhathi siso ukuphi wenzani kanjani. But you are protected, you are guided, unamandla, uboniswa yonke into ekumele ukuthi uboniswe yona. Very much protected and powerful at the same time. So to everyone umthandazi out there, let's continue to pray. Let's continue to open our hearts, because of siyazi ukuthi uma sikhuleka sivule inhliziyo zethu, kanti futhi inhliziyo zethu mahlala zipho, uNkulunkulu uyasibonisa amandla wakhe, uyasibonisa ubukhulu bakhe, uyasibonisa imangaliso zakhe ngaphezulu kwezimo zeimpilo zethu. Akusiyinto yawonke umuntu, eyakho wena. You just need to pray and open your heart, and then uNkulunkulu uzokwambulela everything, and you will know, you will understand. That's it. I love you so much, guys. Akube nobumbano, nozwano, nothando ngaphakathi kwamakhaya wenu.